Yeah, massive.
See that now?
Fully bad. So, we'll drop some fully bad sauce on it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm there with the boss.
Alkali Bayete, boom boom in that place. What to them?
Same, so you know what I mean? So here we are going. We are going to do some jerk, breadfruit and some jerk. What?
Chicken.
With the what? Fully bad
sauce.
You know what I mean? Because here what? From the previous video guys, you asked for a part 2. You know what I mean? But we never get the time to do the part 2. So here what the part 2 drop on the Sunday evening. You know what I mean? Before you go any further in the video, like the video. If you're new, subscribe. Watch the video to the end guys, cause later Alkali Bayete boom boom gonna take you on a little journey. Yo, them man are full of knowledge. Them man know a lot of things about the community, which is called what? Richmond Hill. And we're in Manchester. For those who are wondering, if you're new to the channel, this is Manchester, the parish of Manchester, Jamaica. So here, without further ado, we'll go up on the street where we are going to later.
Yeah, man, we're going to go by the school.
Yeah, I'm excited.
We go by the first school in the community, which is called Bethany Church.
Yeah.
And then we'll go by the school, you see me? And then we're going to look for wood, one special wood them called dry land sweet wood.
Yeah.
We jerk some chicken.
So the dry land sweet wood have to jerk the chicken.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's a historical thing, guys. Do not click off of this video. If you click, it's a miss. You know what I mean? If you click it off, it's a miss. You know what I mean? Watch it to the end. You know what I mean? Comment. I love to see the comments them guys. Yo, when we upload a video, the comment them we wait for.
Yeah man.
We love reply to them. I love like up on the comments said speed. You know what I mean? So yo, cooking.
Respect everybody. Boom boom boom.
Boom boom boom. Big up on yourself. It's your boy Tyrone and
Alkali Bayete. Boom boom.
We're out here guys. Yeah man, take care.
So that view I want like a nice look of view. You see me? Up there some wood I want to put some bees. You see them hill up there, sir? Right up on the hill some wood I want to put some bees. You see me? And then we're there. But this is the community of Richmond Hill. You see me? So hills and miles of miles and hills. You see it? Richmond Hill.
Here. See donkey here? One. Easy himself. So we decided to take a shortcut. You see me? Yeah. Take a shortcut to reach the church. Look what we have here. Oh, this side. Go over. Yeah, guys, see it? Good old go over. And a green man. I'm on the right plate. So green go over here, give me brother. You go over salt. Alright guys, we are going for church.
Alright people, now you are at Bethany Moravian Church and it was founded in 1835. What was going on in Jamaica in 1835? So you can leave a description in the box, you know, just leave a comment. Tell me what was happening in Jamaica in 1830s to 1835. You see me? So that is the quiz for today. What was happening in Jamaica? Because this is the first church. This is the first church and it's actually the school for the community, the first school for the community. A lot of people within the community, especially lawyers, doctors and engineers, get their first teaching right here, sir. You see me? So let's go take a look a step up in the church. You see me? There's churchyard and show certain things. Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, we're at the Bethany Church, right? And we're looking at the beautiful, beautiful view from the church. You understand? Over there, you look way back in St. Elizabeth, way in Westmoreland, as you can see, way back. You see me? I put on the state right down the side there. You see me? Now, this is the church. See? It's Bethany Church. This church was established in 1835. I remember, you see the bottom one, right there, sir? This is where we the school for the whole community of Bethany get them teaching from. The elder set. And I'm talking about my grandmother, my grandfather, the whole of them.
Yeah.
Yes, so them get them teaching. Auntie, and cousins them, you see me? Until they move down to the new school. And we're going to go down there after that, you see me? But this view up yourself, ladies and gentlemen, it's pretty. You understand? Look down in there now. And my gully this side, you know? See? My gully from there, so go straight back over here, so my gully, see? Then you have Somerset and then place there. Up on the hills, so beautiful view. Up on Mandeville. See Mandeville as far as you can see them spaces and Mandeville. You see me? And my house is just right in the little mountain, right there, sir. So look at carry account, so right behind the little mountain inside there. You see me? Look on the scenery over there, sir. I be a farming community now, so I tell you, say, man plant Irish potato, yam and all them things there. Over there, so the ribena tree there. You see that top over the hill there, sir? Or over there, so the ribena there. You see it? Yeah.
You have it, guys. It's a wonderful landscape. Beautiful landscape, you know what I mean? And I need to mention, guys, the humidity, the climate, the breeze that up here, sir. Yeah.
Pretty. Nice,
breeze, nice.
I just saw come drink the chicken. And roast breadfruit.
I tell you, 50% sun, 50% breeze. Look there, guys, what the view. Yeah, man, so we're going to walk back down there. And we're going to look, what the wood name?
Dryland Sweetwood.
Dryland Sweetwood.
Yeah, see it right there, sir. You can't see it from your side now, right there side there. Right, sir. I'm not going to go in the hills then. No, yeah. See it, sir. Sorry. See it right there side there. Okay. Man, tough piece of wood.
Yeah, guys, so. Boss, I know him stuff.
Yeah, man, I remember, people, what was happening in Jamaica in 1830. You understand? Just put a something in the comment box and let me know. Remember, just subscribe, you see me? Boom! People, look at how fruitful it is, right? You know what they call Boca lemon. Nice juice and sugar and water. So they're going to pick a few. See it? So put in the juice so we're going to make some natural juice. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
And we also have orange tree, you know? Orange tree is in it.
Yeah? Alright, go on next side.
Yeah.
Watch out if you watch them, you know. Watch out if you watch because, you know, what's when they kiss you, you know.
You know.
You stay kissed.
Them kiss you badly. And now look out to the water.
You know how long I try to catch a bugger lime tree?
Yeah?
Can't catch.
You see the thing is, if you're a bird.
Eh?
If you're a bird. You can't catch it.
Now forget in graphy.
Yeah.
We can't go no further now, guys, because guess what?
Be a wasp.
It was them
wicked! Talk no man. What the wasp them? So we have some orange and we have bugger lemon.
Yeah.
See? So we're gonna make some juice.
Yes, sir. Where you say this name?
Dryland Sweetwood.
Yeah?
So yeah, Dryland Sweetwood. And you wanna smell it? Look on the leaf, people. You see the leaf? The leaf is very, very look like pimento leaf. Yeah, smell it. Smell it, people. You smell it.
Yeah, it kind of have a smell like guava.
Smell like lemon?
Yes, like it smells like a citrus tree.
Yeah. So we are going to cut a piece of that, you know. We'll cut a piece of that in the hills there, so. So
this way I cut?
Yeah, we're going to cut a piece of this as well. I'll cut the straight one. Straight one so we can do it, you see me?
Do your choppings, do your choppings.
I'm going to go in the hills after. Look up at it and stuff. This people, Dryland Sweetwood, tough piece of wood, you hear? So this I'll go up on the jerking today. So I'm gonna pull it out. never use play. Called dry land seafood.
So you don't want none of the leaf them?
Dry land seafood, people. This is what I use, jerk some chicken today, yeah? And then we are going to pick some, what name the dung is for?
Pimento?
Nope. Quick stick.
Oh.
Yeah, we're not using no pimento today.
Alright guys, so stay tuned. Watch you all go and don't click off.
Yeah, and Jamaican people, if you know the church here, this is a famous corner called Shake Hand Corner. You understand?
Why you call it shake hand?
Kite a shake your hand. It's Ben. You know when you shake hand?
Alright guys, I hear him. So I'll go on, so just stay tuned. Yeah man, I want love you know all the time.
A little stick, right? So I'm going to hunt some quick stick. Peter. See now? You just hunt up some quick stick. So we want this, and then we want one more piece. Good to go now. See it. So them three pieces of stick here I'm going to use. See me? Cut them up in pieces and put them on the grill. So let's go. Start the jerking. So I'm at Bethany Primary School, right, and infant school, right? So I think this was 2014, the class of 2014 I actually paint this. We set up and we just draw it and the student and paint it and stuff like that. So you have seen the heroes, you know what I did? Like Marcus Garvey, Paul Bogle, Nanny of the Maroon, Shamshak, William Garden, Norman Manley, and Bustamante. Them way there, you see me?
And these are all your paintings?
Yeah, these are.
You did ours?
Me and the students then.
Okay.
You understand? Me and the students then. And we did a look of craft, you know, they can't call it no out of many one people, you see me? And the Limpton Variety tree and stuff like that. These are just basically students who paint them. You see me, we just help them in some sense to put everything together.
And that tree is what?
That tree is called, what do you call it? Eucalyptus.
Yeah?
Yeah, eucalyptus tree. That's a version of the eucalyptus tree. Okay. You see me?
So this is the schoolyard students?
Yeah man, the schoolyard, and this is the assembly.
It's the assembly area?
Yeah, assembly area. You see
6 feet apart, yeah?
Yeah man, 6 feet apart, and you know, we did the water cycle. You see me? We need to really paint that over again. Come on, go down here, sir. You see me? And then these are something that I try to show them about the world. You see me? The world map, the island map, the Caribbean island map. You see me?
Yeah. You helped them paint all of this?
I did this. I did this. I did all of this. But the painting over there, they did all of that. Yo, tell me where Jamaica is on this map. Find Jamaica for me. Find Jamaica for me. Some people say yes, for Jamaica. There. Find Jamaica for me, Tyrone.
Jamaica?
Yeah.
Jamaica is in the Caribbean.
Yeah, so where would Caribbean would be?
Jamaica is right here. Hold on guys, see that?
Right, that's Jamaica there, you see it? Alright, yo, you see Tyrone there, sir? See Tyrone there, sir? See the Alkali by yete, boom boom there, you know? So you have the Great United States, South America, you understand? You have the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, you see me? My home, Africa, yo! Biggest continent, then you have the Europe, you know me, then you have Asia, then you have India, then you have Australia, then you have a next place called Papua New Guinea, you see me? And then you have the Caribbean Sea. And all the local islands then, you see me? Boom! So, I'll call it there, so I teach to use them in the community, you know. You see me? Yeah. About education. Education is the key to uplift you out of poverty, no matter where you're in the world. Whether you want to be lawyer, doctor, engineer, you have to know them things, you see me? Yeah. So let's go on this again now. So, the digestive system, you understand, you know, you have your mouth, you have your tongue, you know, you have your esophagus, you know, you have a stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, and anus, you know what I did? So you have the windpipe, circulatory system, respiratory system, right? So you have the lungs, you understand, your nose, your mouth, your tongue, vice back, windpipe, lungs, back, you understand? And we have the heart. The heart was very much pretty, but you know, so water run off of this and mess up this year. So we're going to do it back over again. You see it?
Probably a different location.
Different location, yeah. But you know, just COVID coming at the place, man, everything just kind of set it away. But with our Bethany Primary infant school, so big up on yourself, yeah? Subscribe, people.
Yeah, sir. And what we are saying, we have got down a yard right now.
We're going to jerk some food. Come in, we're doing the history already, you know.
Right.
I reach back at my yard now, I start my grill and you see it, right? So, right now, I try measure up. So, I use quick stick, you see me? So, I'm going to use the quick stick and measure up, right? So, I'll say, all right, boom. Right, that's all. So, I'm going to just chop. You see it? Chop it.
So, use the pan and carry them and see.
Yep. So, quick stick.
What windy.
Yeah. Nice and cool. And people, we could have split it too, you know? Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to split it. I'm going to split the wood. Yeah, I'm going to split the wood. I'm going to split the wood.
So you're going to split the quick stick too?
Yeah, I'm going to split it.
So this is the sweet wood you're chopping?
Yeah, this is that dryland sweet wood. See me? So, no, that cool. Oh man, that's fine, man. That's fine. That's real fine. You see me? So, I'm going to split them.
Need probably about one more.
Yeah, no, measure it up so it fits properly. Oh, wow, come here. So the dryland sweet wood, I bust it so. Yeah, so I need one more the quick stick. Them, right? I'm gonna split them. So you see the dryland sweet wood? You see how it get tough in the middle? So right, that's how I'm gonna split it, right? Instead of split it, that's so. I'm gonna split it. Alright, so quick stick, sweet wood, quick stick, sweet wood. I'm gonna split it again. So these are some woods that our ancestors used, you know, for jerk over years and years. So secret still there. Smell the flavor.
Yeah, guys, smell. The
flavor of it.
Actually have a sweet fragrance too.
Yeah,
That's
man.
why you call it
dryland sweet wood. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So sweet wood, quick stick, sweet wood, quick stick, sweet wood, quick stick,
sweet wood.
sweet wood. All right.
So that way do.
So I can save this for later, and if I need some more of that, so I'm going to split a piece here. See? In case I need it. So I split it. Now.
So the coal will go and catch and flavour the
chicken
jerk pan.
Squan, yeah. Put the next piece of quick stick and knit it as well. See?
Yeah, guys. And me I teach him in a paper. Me I teach him in a...
You believe that? You believe that? Subscribe. Just subscribe. Like for me, yeah? You don't know already. You see it?
Yeah, so we are going inside get chicken and what you say I'm going to season up?
I'm going to season up some chicken.
Yeah.
I'm going to season up some chicken. Even though I seasoned one last night, but I'm going to show you how to cut the chicken and deal with it proper. I'm going to show you how to cut half a chicken. See? And then I'm splitting some quarters. Easy, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? So I make this go and stay so.
Breadfruit.
Yeah, we get the breadfruit and do everything. And we get the table. I get to put the table out so do everything and then make up some fire, roast some breadfruit. We're good to go. Come in. Alright people, now somebody had asked they would like to see how the chicken is seasoned. Well, the chicken, how the seasoned chicken is very much simple and easy. You know? It don't take too much. So here how me season my chicken and cut up my chicken, right? So I'm putting some water and tie it out, right? So what I do now is basically, you see that bone here, so? I just cut it across the back, so. Alright? Put my hand in it, so. And just pull. So you have an equal halves. You see me? Equal half. So you have this quarter. Twist it down the middle. Yeah, my classic knife, my granny knife, you know. I'm not leave it out, you know. You see me? I sharpen it to make it stay like that way, yeah. You see me? And just cut down the middle. Yeah. So you got the halves, right? Come off. Right? So you got a half quarter there, so. Now, see this quarter here, so now you just bust that go here, so. Not like this. Get the dog or the cat. Come. So I have some quartz now, you see it?
What I want your viewers and subscribers to recognize about this, there are some vegans, so we are cater for the vegans and the non-vegans and the vegetarian, because everybody watch Tyrone still there, you know? So guys, you got the vegan, them have them jerk breadfruit.
Yes.
You know what I mean? And the people them who eat chicken can have them
jerk chicken. You see me?
So we got both jerk breadfruit
and chicken. You see it?
We love all out.
Yeah. So I'm going to wash this off and forward here. So I come back now saying, so I wash off the chicken. So I wash off the chicken here. So I wash off the chicken now. I'm going to put some lime on the chicken, see? So we make it raw. See? So I wash them up, and then wait there. You see me? Yeah. Push off the water. Come on now. This is a person like this. I just go so. Look. See, you can get the extra water movement I want. Make it come out. Boom. And clean up the chicken, make sure I say no other partner in the chicken, you know. No other stuff in the chicken and them stuff there. So I throw that way now, right? So now I have this, put that back. See? That back. Boom, boom. So what I do now, I have this jerk season, right? You buy it in a Mandeville. You have all the ingredients in there. You have pepper, you have salt, you have pimento and everything in it. This is the only jerk season when we use for when I jerk chicken. You understand? So this give it the right flavor where we really want and everything. You see me? So I just rub them up in it, man. Rub them up in it. Rub them in them places. So them bone there, rub them sauce up in it, you know? Make them go and marinate up in it and everything like that. Go on. See me? Right there. Put some more upon him. Alright. Now I'm good. You see me? Now for a little secret now. If you are basically gonna jerk that chicken here. Alright? And you let them stay in there so. You gotta have a little bit of water. You see this little water here now? You take this here now. With the little water. See it there? And you have little like a red stripe beer or sour flavor beer. Put that nice in and shake it up together. So you cool down the fire, cool down the chicken. Cool down the chicken a little bit. If it might get too hot up in there, you can season it down with that. You see me? But right now, I'm season up some already, so I'm going to get my chicken and start on the grill right now. See? So anyway, people, if you like the video, just subscribe. See? Boom! Alright. So, like you see now, I have my own chicken I season up already from last night. See?
You see what I go on for your chicken there?
See that? Well seasoned up. And you see what I talk about? It's like how the fire going away now. You see? You cool him down. You cool him down, man. You see me? You cool him down with that look of fire. Now, like last time, I just put my chicken on it. Put my chicken. You see me?
And the pimento leaf come last.
Yeah, the pimento leaf. I gotta go down. See pimento there so I can come pick pimento. You see me?
So guys, we're there outside. Don't know.
Same chicken Russia?
Outside, yeah man, big chicken.
Jesus. That chicken there weighs 6 pounds.
That one have somebody with
yeah.
in England and America.
Probably America.
We're kind, you know.
America that one.
Want to share this with you, guys.
Probably in Florida somewhere in Florida.
Where's it?
Probably in Florida somewhere. Yeah, Florida.
Think you're full of style.
Florida. Florida now
guys,
right
see
now.
it there guys. Yeah, man, beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So the chicken up on the grill right now and I go on and I just close it down. You can go and stung this. So you see me?
So breadfruit time.
Yeah, breadfruit time. Yeah, I'm going to show them I prepare the jerk breadfruit, see? So give me a minute, I soon forward. Boom! Set fire, sir. Easy for us. Ding, 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 ding. See? Us. Tomorrow you gone, botheration there. Botheration, oh! Alright, here we go, ladies and gentlemen now. So, we're going to prepare the jerk breadfruit seed. So, we're going to use one thing they call miracle jerk season. You understand? I'm going to mix it up with my sauce. And I'm going to show you how to deal with it, yeah? So, watch the routine. See? So, you take some of this sauce now. And you put it in here, so. You see me? Alright, take some of my fully bad now. You see it? And put on in it. Pour it in it. Alright? Bam. Pour it in it. Mix it up. Mix it up real nice, you see me? Real nice. So you get this look of thickness in it, you see it? So you cover that now. Boom. The jerk breadfruit basically this, right? You stick a knife in so. See me? Stick him in so. See me? Yellow heart breadfruit. So you just basically want to take this out. I'll take this out. Completely just take this out. You see me? See it?
You see now I glow fire reach?
Yeah. You see it? Alright. So I can cut this out also.
Yeah, so stay tuned guys.
So I get the nigga out. See how I get it out now? You see it? Now you're gonna pour in the sauce now this. See that? The fully bad, just pour it tonight. Fortnite.
So guys, this is the first I'm gonna have something like this, and first you guys seeing this.
Jerk breadfruit.
Sure of that.
Jerk breadfruit. Yeah.
And something important me really look. You see if back there.
Stem.
Stem.
So now let's go to the breadfruit fire. See? Watch how me do my breadfruit fire. We're not gonna love the fire, you know. Watch out. Me have two different compartments, see it? So me set the wood away here. We take a roast. You see me? Same way. Same way that I roast so.
So I can see what I'm going for you for there.
See folder man. See folder, folder bubble, you see it?
Yeah guys.
Me just turn it a few minutes ago for me see that. Me turn it, you see me? So look on it again now. Look on it, see it so now? Turn it. This one now, you see it? Just turn it there so. This one now, turn it, you see it? It's almost there. It's almost there. You get that nice little color there. You see it and get the color and everything like that. So make it go on strong there so.
Yes,
Room.
you guys.
Alkali Bayete. Boom!
Subscribe.
So right now we are cutting up the pineapple and everything. The pineapple they done wash already, you know. And thing. So we cut up the pineapple with the skin. So we're gonna blend up everything. The pineapple with the skin and everything, and then we have the watermelon. So we are gonna just see? And then we have the papaya. So this is what we're gonna do first. So we're gonna blend up everything here, so. Now watch this, right? So put it on the water. Alright. So This is going on the juice too, is it?
That's cucumber.
Yeah, cucumber. You know, make your medicine, make your food be your medicine be your food. Right there, people. So, yeah, me know, we are going to get some vitamins and minerals for your body, you see me? Nice. Mommy, here. Sorry.
See, I cut skin and everything.
Everything.
Thing of the note. Guys, I detox this.
Detox, fruit.
A fruit.
A fruit. So everything in the fruit you have to eat.
Yeah.
Fruit, of course, brother.
Go feed bullet. Go feed bullet. Go feed bullet, them boy. I hope you don't pop down par with it. No. Don't pop down.
No, not pop down. And like there too.
Like
so,
there.
Yeah, so everything good. No.
Yeah, man.
Hold on, now come. I get me watermelon. Boom, bam, bam, bam. Put the watermelon in it. Boom. So watermelon in it or so. See it? One.
You see it?
Watermelon with the green skin. You see me?
Yeah.
The skin is actually good for man. You understand? You know what it stands for? Viagra.
What?
Viagra, yeah. The skin itself is
Oh,
Viagra.
yes.
The skin itself is Viagra.
Guys.
Yeah, man. So.
Why I have no comment.
Yeah.
No comment for me.
Let your food be your medicine and your medicine be your food.
Yes, sir.
You see it?
Yes, sir.
Right there.
Right there. Know what I mean?
Know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
So, put in your son in my bullet now. So, in this now, you have cucumber, watermelon, pine.
Have you see?
Yeah, cucumber. See cucumber there? Watermelon, pine.
Alright.
Easy juices, people. Easy juice. You understand? Easy juice. Easy juice, you know, sir.
And then you're going to add the ginger down the road.
Yeah, the ginger down the road, you know, sir. Just need to see it.
Look on the color, guys, and the consistency. Beautiful. So stay tuned and watch your boss. You know what I mean?
Yeah. But now, you see this now? I just squeeze this out. You see me? So no drugs not going on it. Nice and easy, you see it? Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice. Nice and easy.
So any drugs just catching the street?
Yeah, that's true. So
any
it's
additional?
healthy. Healthier for you. You see me? Healthier for your system. No stoppage of water or nothing like that. So get this also now. Put this also.
And this can, if you have a garden, you can use this for mulch or compost.
Right there.
Right there, guys.
Yes,
so we're going to blend the rest of this, and then you don't know DJ Alkali Bayete.
Boom boom.
Up on the radio. You know
Talk
what I mean?
no man. Talk no.
Tyrone Studio FM.
Talk no man.
Rich Money Hill program, guys, enjoy themselves.
Talk
You know what I
no
mean?
man.
Yeah, man. Stay tuned later for the chicken, for the breadfruit. You know what I mean? DJ Tyrone out here saying check in.
Yeah.
Big up on yourself. Yes, sir. Next blend.
Yeah. Easy.
Easy.
Simple. Easy blend. You know, see it. We're almost done. See that? Only thing left on the papaya, you know, so we're not straight papaya. We just blend the papaya and just dash it in the nice juice, yeah? So, alright. We just add in the ginger and we keep on blend up and everything. You see it? So we get that nice little flavor there. Alright. So here we go now. Let's see. Ginger and everything right now. You see it? So, yeah, you want to smell the ginger and this yolk. But fully bad here in the juice. Today, our jerk chicken part 2. Yo, you see the fully bad sauce? I tell you, I'm going to put some pineapple in it, yeah? Pineapple. in the sauce. So that give that sweet and sour flavor. And remember, so I'm going to put some honey too in the sauce. And the last time I let the sauce, yo, I know it bad. You see me? So here we go on now. Alright. We're going to deal with the papaya. We're going to peel the papaya and take out the seed them and do what we need to do. See? And then we just blend everything up and good to go.
Yes.
So now I put some of the fully bad sauce on it, right? So now I'm going to make this now fully bad. This is the one that I get the sauce. They call half bad. See? So I put some of the sauce on this now. And leave that one there, see? We can steal this up.
So why you left it half bad now?
Yeah, but I just want to give you a different flavor, you know?
Okay, okay.
Make it taste it where the sauce on it, while the sauce not on it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we...
Guys, you want to smell this? Yeah, man.
It's fully bad.
Fully bad.
Talk no youth. Talk no man.
Fully. See, fully bad breadfruit.
Breadfruit. You see it? You see it? You see it? So inside, you see it? Or it roast. Nice and everything, so look on that one.
I make it cool down.
Yeah, so right now I kind of draw the fire away. So make them stay here, so make them kind of penetrate a little bit more. You see, it's a roast.
Guys.
Say it roast, you see?
Fully, fully.
Yeah, so we're going to deal with that
chicken,
thing, the chicken and go on.
Yeah.
Simmer down.
So eat this.
Yeah, I eat this now.
Yeah guys, see it there? Original jerk brush. Fully bad. Fully bad.
Right there.
Can't wait for taste it. Yellow heart breadfruit, you know?
Yes man, all the way from Senton. You got the breadfruit man?
Yes guys.
Guy passed the other day and I buy some breadfruit for you. I'm telling you, I'm going to support the thing, is it?
You can see what I'm going on. Yeah man, so we soon come here guys, we soon.
You see it?
Happy. Right, guys, so see there? Yeah man, the jerk breadfruit. Yeah man, alkali bayete boom boom style. So one general there, so I make a general going right.
Yeah.
We can know it taste.
That's that. Fully bad.
Brawling, fully bad. Yeah guys.
People. So because the breadfruit is hot, it broke up that way. You see if a man now you make it cool and then you fry it. Yeah. You're bad. You see it so?
Yeah, for real man.
Yeah.
So we are going to the chicken now.
I'm going to the chicken.
See the guys with pimento leaf the dip on it.
You don't know.
Where's it? It's that have juice.
You don't know people.
See it there guys.
Chicken.
Yeah man. Wicked. Yeah massive.
See that now?
Fully bad.
Well,
so we'll drop some fully bad sauce on it.
Hold on now. Fully bad sauce on it. Alright, no problem, boss.
So we'll get it in a piece of file.
Fully bad sauce. So
yeah guys, so when you don't want no chicken, when you know how to link.
Alkali bayete boom boom. With something the sauce. Yo, this sauce now have pineapple in it now, you know. They give you a flavour. Pineapple in that one. You see my brother? So try that now.
Yeah guys.
Go night now?
Yeah man, we're soon going night man. One piece of breadfruit on it.
No problem, no problem, brother. The breadfruit there.
Yeah, drop piece of breadfruit.
See breadfruit there on it. Jerk breadfruit.
Jerk breadfruit. So yeah, more you have to cut off piece yourself too, man. Cut off piece yourself.
Sure.
Yeah man, start out piece yourself.
This is
so yeah, put that one side man. That's where we are going at.
That's yours.
See it there guys.
This is a breast man. That's a character, a breast. Breast man.
Yeah, laugh.
Breast man. Breast man, yeah. Yeah, breast. Breast. You see me? Yeah.
Chicken well soaked guys.
Fully bad sauce. You see me?
It's some fully bad pan.
So me go. That way there. You see it?
It's some fully bad pan.
That way there. He's a breast man. Me's a breast,
yeah,
man.
You see it there?
Me's a breast.
Could they? I want to notice.
Breast, man.
I want them notice how it soak.
Yeah, man. Me's a breast,
Chicken
man.
soak, guys.
Me's a breast. Breast, man. You see it? Now the sauce there. I want to big up Danny B from out of Canada. Big up yourself, my brother. I'm soon come back to Canada and make some of them sauce for you. Yeah? In your place. Big up yourself.
Yes, sir. Alright, guys. So here, the boss say, yo. Boy, I have to set time. Good, you know. Good, you know. Fully bad chicken here, man. I don't even know which part to start. Here we go on. I got to taste the jerk breadfruit first. So watch out. Bring it up a little closer, guys. Ooh. So this is the jerk breadfruit. For those who haven't had jerk breadfruit before, fully bad. So here we are. Wow. Wow, guys. I mean, a yellow heart breadfruit have a sweetness to it. Have a little bit of tanginess because of the sauce, and it's spicy. Really, really spicy. But it's not a spice that you can't angle, you know. Yes? What's one of them juicy after me?
That one there, sir.
That one?
No, my cup bigger than yours. You know, so me's a juice, man. Me's a juice, man. Yeah, me's a juice. Me's a juice, man. Me's a juice, man. I don't know about you.
I joke, man. I don't know, guys. These are the fully bad. The fully bad
sauce. Yeah. That a bada. Pineapple this, it's like pineapple flavor. Taste that. How it taste? Talk no, man.
The way nice you make you remember idea when you're born.
Yes, dude. Yeah. Yeah, cartel, me soon chop up yours. Yeah, cartel. Yeah, big up my mother. Big up Miss Bayete Boom Boom. Yeah?
Boom Boom.
Yeah. Miss Bayete Boom Boom.
Let us combine the two of them now. So this is a piece of chicken, which is a most commonly eaten, well soaked.
Yeah, man.
With a piece of breadfruit. Awesome.
Juice.
Guys, one thing I have to tell you, say, let me know him. Because I baddest chicken this may bite. Fully bad. So here we cartel are going night and eating are going night. I call it boom boom. Give me the camera. Go in, we can see what I go on.
Well, I have my chicken already, you know. Cartel, where your juice there? You know your chicken? Alright, here we are going for me now. You see me as a breast, man? Look at people. Look at. You see this here? Look at. Yeah? Nice and juicy. Succulent piece of chicken.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice and slim. See that now? Look at. Remember, so I took out the heart of this, you know. So all that's in there is just basically the breadfruit and the sauce. So, Granny, big up yourself, yeah? Uncle, big up yourself. Oh, I want to teach me. Granny, bad. Fully bad.
And for those who don't speak patois like that, what can I say now? It is fully bad. You know what I mean?
Yo, part of chicken you want?
Any part of chicken can bad.
Any part can bad?
Yeah.
Oh, you go fully bad. Okay, take a piece more. So I cut the people, okay. You got people. You see, we can cut it, okay? And take that, see? Nice. Nice people. Yeah. Bad. What was that? Fully bad.
More breast left there.
Yeah, people, trust me. Thank you very, very much. You see what I do, right? Jerk, breadfruit, and jerk chicken, part 2. And the sauce, fully bad. it have the pineapple flavor in this, see? Part 3 are the mango. And people me kinda feel sad because we just supposed to do some art, but I can't find my roller. I not clean up the other day and I misplaced my roller. But it's the part 3 are the mango sauce here. And what we're gonna do this? We're gonna do some things like the bunny. But we're gonna keep a secret with the bunny, yeah? Big up and up, love you guys.
Yeah guys, I don't know. Yeah man, enjoy yourself, you know? Enjoy yourself guys, pan late the plantation. Everything nice, everything fully bad. So here what? Big up on yourself, see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share. Big up on yourself on the Sunday evening, you know what I mean? It's always a joy and a pleasure to bring these type of content to you guys. I don't know, so we love you know. One love from Jamaica, big up the chef, big up all of the world, you know what I mean? See you guys in the next video and we're out.